Hey guys, welcome to our channel Mainframe Girls. Till now we have seen all the attributes, what is dataset, uh, what types of attribute specifications we give while creating a dataset. Today we'll learn how to create a dataset, a basic dataset, a mainframe dataset.
Okay, so as I told you, now we'll create a basic PS file. For creating a basic PS file, first thing what you do is go to option 3. It says utilities here. Go to option 3. Control or enter, both will work. It depends on how your keyboard is structured. So after going to option 3, for creating a data set, which is called allocating a data set, you have to go to option 2. Go to option 2. After that, well, here, because you're creating a new data set, you have to give A for allocate. A. You can give names here also, 3 names, or else you can give the name here in single quotes by saying with a high level qualifier, which should be less than 8 characters. If you remember the conventions of creating a data set name, and and the second one, and it shouldn't start with a number. So you can give here 1 PS file, and it should be 8 characteristics length, 8 characters length. Okay, I have given allocate. So these are the values which I've given before. You can give, if you see this management class, storage class, volume serial, device type, data class, these all things will be allocated automatically. If it is a basic file which you are creating for your daily use, so here you can give blocks, tracks, and cylinders, everything. I'm giving tracks here, and I'm giving primary quantity as 10 and secondary 5. Directory blocks, as I have discussed before, directory blocks is 0 for a PS file, as there won't be any members. It's just a flat file, and we are creating with a fixed block file. As I told you, fixed block. It could be fixed, variable block, variable, undefined, and fixed block. So today I'm creating a fixed block file, which if you're creating in a daily basis, these are the specifications you can give. You can give 80, and you should remember that if it is a fixed block, it should go with the multiples of record length. So if it's an 80 is a minimum value where you give, 80 is a record length. The block size I'm giving 3 times of 80, that is 240, and the remaining things are not needed. And if you give enter, see it says dataset allocated. So copy the name. Normally when you are creating in your client location, the first high level qualifier will be your ID, your account ID. And to open, to search where the dataset is, you have to give 3, then 4. 3, then 4. And here where it says DSN name, you should place that name. See, this is the dataset which you have created. See, if you give F11, it will go right side. See, the primary is 10 tracks. As I told you, the first extent will be taken completely. So the primary is 10 tracks, and it says it went for only one extent. PS file will be going for one extent. In a single volume, it can go up to 16 extents, right? So one, it's a CDS org which says PS file. So PS record format FB 80 block size. So this is how data is. So if you want to go inside it, if some data is there, you have to give view. Okay, view opens the data set. To remove this lines, you have to give rest. So view opens, there's no data set, data inside it. If you come out, this is view. If you go inside with edit, you can write some data in it. So if you say hi, hello, world, this is the data I have written here. If you come out, it says edited, and again if you go inside it, view the file. See, if while viewing you can insert lines here, you give I1 which says insert. If while viewing, if you write something, and you remember, right, F3 is to come out. F3, it says you have entered some data, and again F3, enter. And if you are going inside view again, so the data which you have edited, it won't be there. For that you have another command to replace the data in it. I'll tell you. in next videos. But here the normal thing, normally if you don't want to change anything inside it, you go inside by viewing. So you can do anything while you are in viewing mode. If you're going in edit mode, you should be careful because any changes you do inside, if you see, if I remove this LD and F3 out, I come out and again I go inside while viewing mode, if you see that LD will not be there. So make sure that if you're in editing mode, make sure it's a perfect way. So if you see, and you can open a directly, you can open panel by saying start 3.2. This point defines the next section of that. So 3.2, if you give this directly, you come to this panel, allocate. You can give here also the cdf ps file. You can give here also second one. See, you can, the previous data will be available. See, it should be multiples of 80. As I told you, if it's 240, you can give the next one. You can give, I'll give something 800. I'll give 800. Mostly we'll give like this. As I told you, directory block should be 0 because it's PS file. You give enter, it says dataset allocated. See, if you give names here, there's no need of giving quotations. You can give name here and also create that file. It says ABCF, right? You can, the way you have to search this, again, how to go there, there's another way, start 3.4. Give start 3.4, which says ABCF. If you don't remember the whole name, if you remember only your net ID, you have to give the net ID dot, means your ID dot star, enter. Then it will come, your file will be opened here. See, if as there is no data inside it, you can open the file. See, if this is in editing mode, so when I do something in editing mode, even I do come back without saving, if I go and view, the data will be there. So to delete, you have to give D in front of it. The file will be, it will ask the confirmation once, and if you enter again, the file will be deleted. If you come out and give ABC, no dataset names found. So if you have any doubts, kindly let us know in comments, and we'll be giving more videos how to create a PDS file, how to create a PDSE file, and what are the different line commands or inside commands which we can do while creating a video. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe our videos.